started. What's up, guys? How you doing? My name is Mel. We will be doing this unboxing right now. So let's get it started. Let's not waste any time. For those of you that don't know who Tecra Tools is, they build custom toolboxes. And really good ones too, actually. You can check them out on IG, Tecra Tools. They have some really nice stuff. Okay. And let's see what's in this box here. Wow, I think I dropped something. Yeah. You got stickers. Custom toolkit. Experts since 1975. Wow, this is a nice one. Just Cases. I think that's their other. Actually, no, it is their other IG site. I don't know if you can see that pretty good. Just Cases. And yeah, it's just has their phone number and their website on it. It's a little shiny, you can't see it, but it has it here on the bottom. And happy holidays. Congrats on winning the gedore giveaway. Team Tecra. It's pretty cool. Oh, look, they have nice wrapping paper here. Christmas time. Let's put this to the side. Let me move this over a little bit more so you can see here. Wow, they sent some swag, man. Tecra Tools. Look at that. It's pretty cool. You got a white one and a red one here. Tecra Tools. That's pretty cool. And oh, they even send the hats. What? Oh, you know I'm gonna rock these. This is like the army fatigue type, colors. This is pretty good. Multicam, snapback, throwback. This is pretty good quality, man. And we have the other one. It's pretty cool. Really appreciate that, Tecra. Let's see. I think this is a mug. Yeah, it says a camper mug. Oh, wow. I didn't even notice that. It says Holmes Law. Right on the actual, you see that? Boom. And this is their mug. Wow, this is heavy duty stuff here. This is pretty cool. I could actually take this to the job site. Yeah, definitely. Nice touch. The American flag in their signature color. Tecra Tools and their phone number. This is pretty cool. Oh yeah, I'm feeling this. I'm feeling this cup for sure. This is definitely looking really, really nice. I like this. This is a nice touch. Thank you, Tecra. Now for the main item, okay, the actual gedore Advent. Let's open this up. Okay, let me see if I can get. Here we go. Let's open this up a little bit. Maybe I should zoom out a little bit. Okay. Actually, also, guys, For those that donated to the channel, I really appreciate it. I'm gonna be shouting you guys out on the next video, and it's all to actually bring you guys more quality content, you know, instead of using my phone and whatnot. Wow, check this out. Wow, the whole Gedore red set. Woo! Money. Look at that with the case. You got all these bits that come with it as well. Let's see if I missed anything. Nope, I didn't miss anything. Precision screwdrivers. Wow. The 2.5. Actually need all of these too, you know. I have the Klein ones, but you know, those are actually kind of wore out on me, and this is definitely going to come in handy. We got the Torque Precision Small. I don't know if you could see that. This is pretty cool stuff here. Yup, we got Phillips. Okay. We got the Phillips. And another Phillips. Okay, the double O. We have the O and the double O right here. Back to back. This is the T6. Okay, T6. Pretty decent. I'm feeling that for sure. And this is the number 3 flathead, which is definitely going to come in handy, you know, for these VFDs or these small terminations. I already showed you the 2.5. And this one is the 1.5, okay? This will definitely come in handy as well. Okay, and now for the actual mini socket set. Wow, this is some really quality stuff. But Gedore doesn't make anything less. You know, this is all German made. They don't make anything less than quality. Quality stuff here. Wow, this is really in there. Okay, let me see if I can get it out with this. There we go. That was really in there. And this is the extension. This is really nice here. Really nice extension. Okay. I'm gonna push that button with the switch. This is really cool. I like this. This is really nice. And for those of you, let me show you here. You have the whole metric set. We have from 6mm all the way to 13mm. I'll show you the 13mm. Alright, and we'll put that on. And that looks pretty cool here. Look at that. Gedore. And it's etched on. See if you can see that. Right there. Gedore. Pretty cool. And it's also on their adapter as well. It has it on all their pieces. Everything is etched in, as you can see. The millimeter is on there. 13mm. It's pretty cool. I like that. I like that. And then, nice touch with the case. With the case to match. Right in there. Everything is actually written on the case as well. It's all numbered so you can see it there as well. And along with the actual case, we have more. We have some actual bits that come with it as well. All the torque bits. We have the hex set millimeter as well. This will come in handy. This is not in my set. I've been missing this set. These two are missing. So this is going to complete my set because I don't really have the millimeter, but I've been needing it. And then, of course, you have the flathead and the Phillips. Okay, comes with the 0, the 1, and the 2 Phillips, and then we have the 4mm, the 5.5, and the 6 in the flathead. It's also nice. And I believe this is the Posi. This is the Posi set. For those of you that don't or aren't familiar with the Posi, okay, it's kind of like a European. It's not a Phillips. It looks like a Phillips, but it's not. Okay. Actually, if you pay attention in the States here, a lot of these a lot of equipment that's coming from overseas, their terminals are actually Posi terminals. They look like Phillips, but if you pay attention to them, and you look at the actual star on the screw, you'll see some kind of like dashes, and that tells you that that's actually a Posi. So if you pay attention to the actual bit in between, there's actually kind of like a little, indent in there as well, which actually grips onto the screw a lot better than a Phillips. These do not cam out as easy as the Phillips do. So this is what actually came from Tecra. Tecra, I appreciate it. Thank you. Very nice set. I will be using this. And yeah, guys. So this is the case. Better look. Has my name on here. I really appreciate it, guys. Thank you so much. I appreciate it. And that's basically it, guys. What was I gonna say? Also, for the next video, will be coming out next week. Hopefully, this weekend I will be editing it and putting it out. So, with that, guys, I'm out.